drive. It's so hard to turn.
Forwards, it goes. When you go backwards, it stops.
He was literally
Go backwards. Hard. See that? Legs, push some pedals.
Daddy!
Other way.
Daddy! 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 Daddy!
What?
Can we go on a bike ride?
No, I'm not going on the bike ride.
Look at Mom. Mommy!
Yeah.
Do you want to go on a bike ride maybe from us?
We'll see. I don't know if I have air in the tires.
Well, Daddy.
Oh no, break! Ah! Good job.
Levi, let's take a video when our mom's driving a bike.
I'm doing that right now.
Today, Mom might be driving on a bike. Are you ready?
Everybody drives on a bike. It's easy. It's easy to drive on a bike. Why are you saying? Well, you have these tiny bikes. Where are they? Where is it? Over there. Dum, dum, dum. And he's riding this one. Let's go. Which we just did. So let's do another one where it's even harder. Let's do it down a hill. Okay. The end.